Hello guys, welcome to Coders Arcade channel. In this channel, we are going to create one full stack playlist. In this playlist, we are going to do all the things what is necessary to make you full stack developer. Now, simple way if I explain, what is full stack? Full stack is nothing. Many times you have heard that one is front-end engineer, one is back-end engineer. But if we combine both the things, front-end engineer and back-end, we can say full stack. The engineer who can do both things, front-end part also and back-end part. So in front-end part, what are the technologies we are going to see? We are going to see HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. If I talk about React.js, in React.js nothing. What is going to be happen? We are going to first study HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and combination of these three, we are going to see how React.js is working. After this, we are going to see the backend part. In backend part, nothing is simple. We are going to see Express and PostgreSQL and Node.js. PostgreSQL we are going to use for our database. Why we need database? Simple way, why we need database? If we are doing something, we need to store somewhere. We need some collections of items, list and all things we are going to store in our database. For that, which database we can use? PostgreSQL. There are multiple database. MongoDB is there, MySQL is there, NoSQL there. But this time we are going to see PostgreSQL and we are going to see Node.js. And in this playlist, one more thing we are going to do, we are going to give you one projects by using all these technologies. We are going to create one project, and after that, in projects, we are going to help you for the interview questions, what they are going to ask from a full stack. And one more thing we will do, we are going to give you job assistance also. For these things, you need to be part of our family, which is Coders Arcade. And please subscribe our channel. And if you have any other doubts, anything, you can put things on our comment box.